As you may be able to see, this is my YouTube channel. And if you are here wondering, what am I supposed to do to get started on my game dev journey if I know nothing? Well, I'm here to tell you. So the first thing you need to recognize is the recently uploaded is going to be obviously all the stuff I upload, and it's going to be kind of semi-random in the sense that I'm going to be uploading a bunch of random stuff. However, if you're completely new to this and getting completely started, know the best place to get started on my channel specifically, maybe not other channels, but this applies to most others, is the playlist. In the playlist, you will find a bunch of series. So we have RTS games. I have RTS games. I have a Zelda-like RPG game. I also have a Stardew Valley copy, kind of another RPG series. This one's incomplete, so I would suggest going over to the Zelda one. It's a little better. And I have a tower defense series, and hopefully, by the time you're watching this, maybe I will have a 3D tower defense series, which will be a playoff on the first 2D series. Oh, and I also have this Godot RPG dungeon crawler, which is slightly similar to the RPG, but it's slightly different as well. So those are tutorial series that you can check out when you're completely new. These are nice to follow along as I code. You're going to be following along as I code along, and you're just going to be copying me essentially and kind of learning a bunch of new concepts in Godot. If you're new to languages, this is, even if you don't know language, or if you do know a language, it doesn't matter. This is a good way to get started in game dev specifically, because learning how to make a game is very different than learning coding and whatever else, right? So this is how you get started. That is how I would suggest getting started. Follow along these series and do them. Just follow along the series and that's it. And I would suggest not completing the game. If you want, you can, but I would not. I would say it's a kind of a waste of time to take what I give you and finish it. What you will do after, so that's step one essentially of your game dev journey. The second step that I would suggest, this is a two-step process. The second step is very easy. Start making your own projects. That's it. Start making your own projects, whether it's a playoff of my game that I give you in the tutorials, or if it's your own idea. So if you have an idea of your own, a small game or project that you want to make, do that. Now, how can I help you do that? Well, I have other features or videos that I will be coming out with more often than not. So here I have Godot features simplified. So that's it, basically me. There's this one, and where's the other one? Here we go. Godot tutorial basics. So those two playlists are probably the playlists where I try to give you a bunch of small concepts of ideas. So if we go to look at the Godot basics, let's see, we have tutorial series. We have how to collect different coins. This one is create a first platformer. We have dictionary, a little bit of explanation, how to spawn mobs. That one's pretty cool. And parallax background. I would really suggest the parallax background. This one's really cool. There's just a bunch of different things that I do and add in here that I put in my games. And I've gotten these from experience. I've essentially taken what I know already and I'm trying to give it to you. Right? I'm trying to give you the features that I use in my games to make it feel more like a game and give it to you guys. So, and obviously it's all for free, so I don't charge you anything. So there's like how to add global music, and there's a bunch of really cool stuff, how to customize buttons. Sometimes you might, and I try to make these relatively short in the sense that if you're looking for something very specific, how to customize a button or how to customize a panel, I try to make it really short so that way simple and sweet. You know how to find it and it's right there. So if there is anything you guys want to see, definitely join my Discord. The best way to ask me to do something is in my Discord. If you want to leave a comment, that's fine as well, but my Discord will definitely be the fastest and most efficient way to ask me anything content wise. So that is how you essentially get started on your journey. Okay. That is essentially my steps. So the other ones, honestly, like learn to cook, Naruto Chronicles, those were my very old videos. You don't have to watch those, but I also have like Think Like a Dev. These are some nice little videos. I kind of talk a little bit. They're not the best, but you know, it's up to you whether you want to watch them or not. Give me watch time. I'd love it. And yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys now kind of know how to get started on your game dev journey. If you want more advice, definitely join my Discord. And I'm going to be talking about this in a different video, but join my Discord. I really, really kind of emphasize that there's only so much I can do as a YouTuber to you. I can make you a bunch of videos and I can try to help you as much as I can, giving you cool features that I've done, parallax background, stuff like that. There's only so much I can do video wise. I'm just talking to you through a screen. There's only so much I can do. But if you join my Discord, we have a bunch of people that can help. You can, even people of your level, talking with people of your level, it can be helpful. kind of brainstorming ideas back and forth and stuff like that. So it's very useful to have a community. So yeah, I hope to see you guys there. If you're not, then unlucky, I guess. And that's it. I hope to see you guys there. And bye bye.